Hey guys, what's going on? So apparently we're getting hit with a good thunderstorm, and I'm not too sure how bad this is going to be, but I'm freezing just a little bit. We are going to go and drive around and check it out. Bear with me. Let me get my seatbelt on here. Ugh. Oh God. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Alright, so let's go check this out. See what we can come up with here. Now, I'm not entirely sure. I didn't get enough time here to check the, oh, why'd that do that? I didn't get enough time to check the weather network just to see how bad this is going to be or what way it's going to go. Alright, stop, which is a good thing. Alright, hang on a second here. Got a few good bolts of lightning. It just started, so we'll see. Woo! Yes! That just touched down over by the library, which is actually pretty interesting. Alright, so we're getting in the right direction. As you can see, it's almost 12 o'clock at midnight, so flooded. Yeah. So, pardon me. I know this is not paranormal, but guys, this is another hobby that I have that I absolutely love. And that's storm chasing. I just gotta keep this down a little bit. Wow, guys. It's definitely coming down. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of come over this way. Holy hell. Yeah, this is it's gonna be a nasty storm. The only downfall with this is I don't have a whole lot of gas, therefore can't go, oh geez, I can't go that far just in case, but actually let's go up this way. I'm gonna put this down for a second in my car. Alright, I'm gonna actually go this way because it seems to be the closer that we are to the Grand River, the more intense the storm is. So Holy shoot, guys. Let me just kind of park here for a second. This is a pretty intense storm. Holy shit, did you see that? That was actually pretty wild. Guys, I'm gonna see if I can, no, there's nowhere I can actually put this, which sucks. Oh, maybe I can kind of, nope. Alright guys, we're gonna head back towards my place, because in the back is where, oh my god. In the back is where you can see quite a bit, and it seems like the storm is kind of pushing in that direction. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back, just in case I also, oh damn. Yeah, we're right next to the Grand River too. Like pretty close to the Grand River. I'm just gonna put this down for a second. Obviously there's a car coming. But yes, we're like, the Grand River's over this way. And it seems to be hitting hard this way, so we're gonna head back to the house. Deep ground is absolutely flooded. Like I'm hydroplaning right now. Damn. I'm gonna keep this down, pointed out the window, just because I'm not supposed to be holding my phone. Technically, I'm holding a tripod. Oh god, guys. My car is literally like shaking right now from the wind. Oh Lord. This would be an amazing night to be out in an abandoned building that's a known location to be haunted and communicating with the spirits, because this is where they're most charged. Alright, so bear with me, put this down a little bit. Oh yes. Holy crap. That was insane. Okay, hold on a second, guys. Alright. So this is the Grand River right here, the bridge that I'm crossing. And it is definitely, oh yes, it's definitely hitting hard over top of where I live, so that's a good thing. I mean, if I had a ton of gas, I would definitely be going to the countryside, because that is where you'll get to see a lot of the lightning and everything there. But